Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L3211 printer driver, download and install and how to connect. So first you have to open any browser and enter the Google search box to like that, and after that you can see this is epsonsco.in, this official website, so you have to just click on it. Scroll down, extract driver, okay, and then you can see this is the printer driver and just click on download. Scroll down, then I agree. Scroll down, then you can see the Windows 11 64-bit, Windows 10 also, and all you can see required the operating system, and this is size. Just click to download. After that you can see it is start downloading. It will take some time and depend about your internet speed. So it is completed. Then just single click to open, then click yes. Then if you want to set default this printer, so check this. If you want to automatically update of the software and like, so you want to check it, okay, then click to okay. After that you want to change the languages, otherwise click to ok. After that again agree and then ok. Now you have to on your printer and connect to printer USB cable to your printer to laptop, okay, or desktop. After that it will detect here and next to install and then restart your system, okay, and printer also, and then please check, and if you are getting some issues so please comment me, I will support you.